Welcome to your latest 60-second update from RAF Shawbury. RAF Shawbury have marked the 80th anniversary of the first British military aircraft to fly around the world. The Lancaster, named Aries, left RAF Shawbury on the 21st of October 1944 and returned 53 days later on the 14th of December, covering almost 36,000 nautical miles, racking up over 2,000 flying hours. RAF and Italian Air Force engineers are swapping servicing and maintenance tasks on exercises and air policing missions worldwide. This is part of wider NATO Agile Combat Employment, or ACE, initiatives to improve joint effectiveness. The RAF Global Enablement Medical Force has received the 2023 Firmin Sword of Peace Award for its outstanding humanitarian contributions and delivering critical medical care to thousands in need. The award recognises a unit from the UK's armed forces that made the most valuable contribution towards establishing good and friendly relations with communities worldwide. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.